Hey everyone, and welcome to another movie about Solana. The price seems to be going down, but top support is still there. I don't think this will definitely turn around and go up. But this fifth wave could still go up. There aren't 5 waves yet, okay? This is very, very important, at least from what I can tell. This is not yet a 5-scale move, but we're still hanging on to this support area that we talked about. So, let me take you to, don't let me let you go. Let me walk you through the, to paths that we are tracking and have been tracking for a while now, okay? There won't be any changes below $165.90. Yes, that's when things will really change. Well, until then, we can still say that the bottom of wave 2 was on August 2nd. That's at least what I'm taking note of here. Well, the condition is that we stay above $165.90. We don't want a clear break, at least, below it. It is likely that invalidation will happen if it does. It is this one that is the official invalidation point. That's the amount of $15,620. But it's clear that we're using the numbers above to get early warnings and signals in most cases. We don't want to wait until something is proven wrong. Fibonacci's power is here to warn us earlier than that. A break below $190 would be the first sign that something is wrong. 39. But I have to say that this is more of a sign that we are still working on the circle back wave B. Just to tell you, we're keeping track of the situations here. In the first one, the base case is the wave on top of it anyway. Both are true, okay? In the first one, though, the wave hit bottom here on Tuesday, the 19th. Then there isn't any real proof for it since there aren't 5 waves up yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I get 5 waves of up. In the next pullback, wave 2 should make a higher low, and we can then expect prices to go up, right? So that would be a 1 to set up, and we can go higher. Then in the yellow scenario, it's more like, okay, we had a wave down that wasn't all of the wave pullback. Instead, the wave pullback happens as a longer ABC structure, which makes sense because it fits with what Ethereum is doing. So, this would be an ABC structure in wave B in the same way that Ethereum does things. Then we could just go down in a C wave, and from there we can watch prices go up, you know? In this case, the bottom support area is still important, and the $165.90 area is where the attention is now. How do we figure out which one it is? I believe it's pretty easy. At this point, it's pretty clear that the pressure in the area is going down. Yes, we're looking down, but we can also see and watch what's above. Small support. We might see a turnaround here, but I'm not sure how likely it is. If we get the 5 waves, then the white count is confirmed. This is a place to watch for now. It's clear that the market is holding near the 38.2% level right now. That's usually a good place for a 4th wave pullback to end anyway, right now. The market is not acting in a strange way. It's just how sharp this pullback is. But once more, this is an urge. A wave could be. However, if we fall even more, yellow would be certain. Once more. How can we tell the difference between the two? Once more, it's very easy. The important level between the two is $19,000 to $139. When prices drop below $190.39, we'll know for sure that the yellow scenario is coming true. Also, wave 4 shouldn't go through the price area of wave 1. That is just a little less than $19,030, but yeah, below $190.39, you know? Elliott wave standards usually let us know about things before the hard rules do. As soon as it breaks below, we should aim for the lower support area. After that, it's likely that these previous swing lows will be tried again on Tuesday and Friday. There you have it about Solana. I hope the news is good to you. If you did, please click like and come back to join now. Also, if you enjoy the videos a lot, please check out the channel membership. I also want to ask you to join us on X for more news. Once more, this is where you can find more chart changes, video updates, commentary, news, memes, and a lot of other things. Look it over. There is a link in both the text and the comments. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Hello, and thank you for joining us for yet another Solana film. Although the price appears to be declining, top support remains in place. Even though I don't think it will reverse and go up, I still think this 5th wave has a chance. At this time, there are not 5 waves. Alright, listen up. This is crucial. This does not appear to be a 5-scale move just yet. However, we have not yet let go of this support area. So, follow me. I won't let you go. The 2 pathways that we are currently on have been ongoing for some time. So allow me to explain them to you. Very well. below $165.90, there will be no adjustments. It is at that point that things will begin to shift. Up until then, we may still claim that August 2nd was the bottom of Wave 2. So far, that's all I can say about it. The only catch is that we can't go below $165.90, certainly. We would prefer not to have a clean break underneath it if it does. Invalidation is likely to occur, officially. This one is the point of invalidation. The total is $15,620. It is evident, though, that we are utilizing the aforementioned figures to receive signals and early warnings. Most of the time, we would rather not wait for something to be proven false. We can get an earlier warning from Fibonacci's power. As soon as it falls below $192, it will be clear that something is amiss. 39. However, it seems to me that this indicates that we are still focusing on the B-wave circle back. We are monitoring the different issues here. I wanted to let you know. The first one already has the A wave as its base case. Neither is false. Very well, however. On Tuesday, the 19th, the wave hit rock bottom in the first one. Since all 5 waves have not yet been released, there is no concrete evidence supporting it. Counting from 1 to 5, imagine I get 5 waves of positive feedback. We should anticipate price increases after the next pullback since wave 2 should form a higher low. With that 1 to combination, we can reach new heights. After that, in the yellow case, it's more along the lines of, all right, we experienced in a wave down that did not constitute the entire wave pullback. Since this aligns with Ethereum's actions, it makes sense that the wave pullback occurs as a lengthier ABC structure. In other words, it's an ABC outline and wave B using the same protocol as Ethereum. After that, we may just have a C wave decline, and then we can observe price increases, you know? Here, the focus is on the $165.90 area, although the bottom support area remains significant. We don't know which one it is. How can we tell? It seems simple to me. The area's pressure is clearly decreasing at this moment. Is that so? Even though we're looking down, we have a good view of what's up there as well, a little base. This might be a turning point, but I don't think it's very probable. The confirmation of the white count is contingent upon receiving the 5 waves. So far, here is where you should keep an eye. The market is clearly maintaining its position close to the 38.2% level at the moment. Regardless, that is typically an excellent spot for the 4th wave's pullback to conclude. There is no unusual behavior in the market at the moment. The severity of this setback is the problem, yet once again, this an impulse could be a wave, but yellow is an absolute certainty if we continue to plummet. The question of how to distinguish between the two rises again, it's not hard at all. Between the two, $19,239 is a crucial level. The yellow scenario will be confirmed when prices fall below $192.39. Additionally, the price region of Wave 1 shouldn't be traversed by Wave 4. Just under $19,030 is the exact amount, under $192.39. Nevertheless, Elliott wave norms typically alert us before strict regulations emerge. The bottom support area should be our target. Whenever it breaches below, next, on Tuesday and Friday, we may see a return to the prior swing lows. This concludes our coverage of Solana. I pray this news brings you good fortune. If that's the case, hit that like button and then head on over to become a member right away. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you find the videos to be of high quality. Also, if you're looking for more news, I hope you'll join us on X. Here you may discover a plethora of new content, including updated charts, videos, discussion, news, memes, and more. Take a look at it. In addition to the comments, the text itself has a link. Much obliged. Leave it.